Life is about negating the tallest mountains and the steepest valleys. You are the love of my life that I am certain of. Thank you for being by my side. I know we all have to follow our own path in one way or another, but I'd rather share mine with you. There's nothing worries than a boring and dull relationship. I'd rather live 1,000 lives being buzzed by your fire than one devoid of passion. I miss everything about you when we are not together. I cherish all the close moments we have ever had and look forward to expressing the next. I am incredibly grateful to have such a loyal companion. You are a true friend and a wisdom lover. Thinking of you makes me feel loved, cared for, and clean. Thank you for being my safe harbor. I love you so much. If you feel you are in front of the wall and that you can't go further, just know that you are not alone and that there is someone who loves you to bits. I wake up in the morning with you as my first thought. I sleep every night with you as my last thought. Why can't I stop thinking of you? Your love is like the coolness of the river at night, the sunshine that comes from the sun during the day. You are the best with a perfect heart. I love you. My dear, not only have you touched my mind, so I only think of you, but you have touched my heart in a way that I will never forget you. You are my mercy. I become even more convinced that we belong together whenever I look into your eyes. When I want to smile, I know actually that do too. I just close my eyes and I think of you. I cherish you. Thinking of you makes me feel loved, cared for, and kind. Thank you for being my safe harbor. I love you so much. If you feel you are in front of the wall and that you can't go further, Just know that you are not alone and that there is someone who loves you to bits. I will keep thinking of you as long as the earth exists. This is a beautiful promise I intend to keep till the earth is swept away. Babies, you are always on my mind. I don't know that they are called the spaces between seconds, but I think of you always in those intervals. I love you so much. The more I think about you, the more I love you. The more I love you, the more I want to be with you. No matter how hard I try to take my mind off you, it only ends up thinking about you. Me the more. I love you beyond the stars. I have been developing wrinkles from smiling too much. Stop being so lovely. You drive me crazy. The more you go away from me, the closer I come towards you. I may not say a word, but my heart will always tell you that you are my desert. I miss you, my love. This is a hug from me to you. You let you know I'm thinking of you. And although I have nothing to say, you know I have to say I adore you, my dream. Not only have you touched my mind, so I only think of you, but you have touched my heart in a way that I will never forget. You are my mercy.